Good morning. Today topic noise pollution. This is the very important topic in IS 10 fifth paper and second paper. This is the very important topic and 3 marks repeated 3 marks essay and repeated 10 marks essay in IS 102 and IS 105. First of all, noise definition, noise pollution. Any unwanted, disturbing or harmful sound that impress or interference with hearing causes of stress, hampers concentration and work efficiency or cause accidents called a noise pollution. This is the repeated essay in previous question, 3 marks question and 10 marks question. In 2018, this type of questions are asked. IS 102. Noise induced hearing loss, noise absorption techniques. These are the in 2018. In previous paper 2017, three-mark question asked, and 2019. In fifth paper, they also asked. Okay. In second paper, okay. Noise. Any unwanted, disturbing, or harmful sound that impress or interferes with the hearing causes stress, hampers concentration, and work efficiency, or causes actions cause noise pollution. These are the definition. This is also noise is defined as a unwanted sound. Noise is defined as a unwanted sound. Noise is defined as a unwanted sound. Sound which please the listeners in music and that which causes pain and annoyances is noise. At the times, what is music for someone can noise of other to section 2A of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 includes noise is the defined of air pollution. Section 2A air pollution means any solid, liquids or gaseous substances include noise present in the atmosphere such concentration as may be attendant to injurious to human beings or other living creatures or plants or property or environment. అంటే నాయిస్ అనేది unwanted sound is a noise which is pleasure the listeners in music and which cause pain and annoyance. At times, what is the music for some can be noise for the section 2A of Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. The noise అనేది Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981 లో నుంచి including the definition of air pollutant. Section 2A air pollution means any solids లో ఉండొచ్చు liquids or gaseous substances include noise presence in the atmosphere. Such a concentration as may be attendant injurious to human beings or other living creatures or plants of property environment. Next screen I will share you. These are the measurement. How to measure noise? How to measure noise? In 3 marks question, write down important. Define sound and how can it be measured in 3 marks question. Measurement. A decibel is the standard is the measurement of noise. Decibel meter is the standard for the noise meter. శబ్దం యొక్క కొలతని డెసిబుల్ దాంట్లో కొలుస్తారు. The zero on a decibel scale is at a threshold hearing the lowest sound pressure that can be heard on the scale act to Smith. 20 decibel is whisper. 20 decibel is whisper, 40 decibel is noise, a pit office 20 decibel అనేది విస్పర్ సౌండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసేదాన్ని 40 డెసిబుల్ పిట్ ఆఫీస్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తారు. 60 డెసిబుల్ ఇస్ ఏ నార్మల్ కన్సర్వేషన్ and 80 decibel is the high level at which should be a physical painful. The noise quantum of some of the cities in our country indicate their pitch in decibel in the noised area of corresponding cities. Example, some in India, some metropolitan cities produced sound pollutions. In Delhi, 80 decibels, and Kolkata, 87 decibels, Bombay, 85 decibels, Chennai, 89 decibels, etc. These sources of noise pollutions, etc. Next one. Next screen I will share you. These are the noise meter, decibel meter. In screen, once see the screen, decibel meter. These are the 1 to 15 silent, 1 to 15 decibel whisper, 15 to 20 decibel refrigerator, 20 to 40 conservation, 40 to 50 decibel city traffic, 70 to 50 decibel air drafter, 100 plus decibel police siren. These are the decibel meter. Decibel meter. These are the decibel scale. Decibel scale. These are the decibel scale. Breath 10 decibels, whisper 20 decibels, drizzle of leaves 30 decibels, rain 40 decibels, refrigerator 50 decibels, conservation 60 decibels, car loud 70 decibels, truck very loud 80 decibels, hair dryer 100 decibels, helicopter 100 decibels, gramophone 110 decibels, siren 120 decibels, jet engine 130 decibels, fireworks 140 decibels. These are the threshold of pain. In OSHA standard normal, you listen the minimum 80 decibels. After 80 above, we are the hearing production, PP, earplugs, ear muffs, canal caps. Next screen I will share you. Next screen. Noise pollution, like other pollutants, is also a byproduct of industrialization. Noise pollution, like other pollutants, is also byproduct of industrialization, urbanization, and modern civilization. Broadly speaking, the noise pollution has a two sources: industrial and non-industrial. అంటే ఇతర కాలుష్యం కారకాలకు మాదిరిగానే శబ్ద కాలుష్యం కూడా పారిశ్రామికలు, ఇండస్ట్రీస్, పట్టణాలు మరియు ఆధునిక నాగరికత యొక్క ఉప ఉత్పత్తి. అండ్ బోర్డ్లీ స్పీకింగ్ ద నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్స్ యాజ్ ఏ టూ సోర్సెస్. అంటే రెండు సోర్సెస్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనకి నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్ అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. అది ఇండస్ట్రియల్ అండ్ నాన్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్స్. ద ఇండస్ట్రియల్ సోర్సెస్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద from various industries and big missions working at very high speed, noise intensity. Non-industrial sources of noise includes the noise created transport, vehicle, traffic, and the neighborhood noise generated by various noise pollutions can also be divided into categories, namely natural and man-made. Most leading noise source will fall into the following categories: roads, traffic, aircrafts, railway roads, railroads, construction, industries, noise in buildings, and consumer products. Consumer products. These are the most following categories. Most leading noise sources will from nowadays. This is the roadway traffic, heavy noise, aircraft noise, and railroads, and construction industries, and manufacturing industries, and pharmaceutical industries, noise in building, and consumer products. These are the main. Next screen I will share. Sources of noise pollution. Sources of noise pollution. This is the noise pollution causes, effects, and control measures. This is the causes, effects, and control measures. దీనివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్ వల్ల దీనివల్ల ఏమేమి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేయాలి. సౌండ్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెయిన్ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇన్ మెనీ యానిమల్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ హ్యూమన్ యాజ్ ఆల్సో a low sound is pleasant and harmless. A loud, unpleasant, or unwanted sound is called as a noise. A given sound can appear music to some and noise to others. It depends upon loudness, duration, and mood of a person. Noise is a physical form of a pollution. It is not harmful. It is not harmful to air, soil, and water, but affects the animal, including humans. The sound అనేది మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అయ్యేది యానిమల్స్, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్. నాట్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఎయిర్, సాయిల్ అండ్ వాటర్. Noise is a unwanted sound that is a unpleasant, loud, and disruptive. Humans having a hearing range called as a audible range. Audible range depends upon a frequency and loudness of sound for a person with normal hearing. Frequency ranges from 20 to 20,000 hertz. Frequency and loudness range is 0 to 120 decibels. Sound is measured in a decibel meter. Decibel value above a decibel value above 80 is considered to be a noise pollution. Above a decibel level above 80 above is considered as to be a noise pollution గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తారు. This is the causes, effects, and control. Next screen I will share you. These are the common sources of noise pollutions. In screen, you see common sources of noise pollution: airplanes and airports, traffic and mass transit. This is the common sources of noise pollution: airplanes and airports, traffic and mass transit, amplified or piped in music, construction and industrial activities, emergency vehicles, lawn and garden equipment. These are the common sources of noise. అంటే నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్స్ కి కామన్ గా వచ్చే దీని నుంచి ఎక్కువ ధ్వని సౌండ్ అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఏరోప్లేన్స్ అండ్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్, ట్రాఫిక్ అండ్ మాస్ ట్రాన్సిట్, amplified or piped in music, construction and industrial activity, emergency vehicles, lawn and garden equipment. These are the next screen I will share. These are the noise effects. Noise effects: gunshot decibels 160, eardrum effect in air Duncan burst, plane takeoff 130 decibels or pain threshold, hearing loss after short exposure, and road traffic, hearing loss, cardiovascular diseases, offices, stress, poor concentration. And whispering, sleep to disorders. These are the noise and effects. These are the noise and effects. Next one. These are the sources of noise pollution. This is the very important 10 marks question. This is the sources of noise pollution in 5th paper and 2nd paper. Repeated essay in 3 marks also. In 5th paper and 2nd paper. These are the repeated sources of noise pollution. How to sources of noise pollution? Sources of noise pollution are more in urban and industrial areas than in rural areas and cities and villages. Sources of noise more than urban and industrial areas than in rural areas. The sources may be a mobiliary or stationary. Some of the sources are industrialization. Industrialization means factories. There are used big machines. Industrialization. Most of the industries use big machines. Most of the industries use big machines which are capable for producing noise, producing from noise. Apart from the various equipment like compressors, generators, exhaust fans, grinding mills also participate in producing noise. In industrialize, most of industries using big machines which are capable of producing noise. Apart from that, various equipments like compressors, generators, exhaust fans, grinding mills also participate in poor urban planning. Poor urban planning. Poor urban planning. These are the in most of the developing countries. In most of the developing countries. In most of the developing countries. Poor urban planning also plays a vital role. Congregated houses, large families sharing small space, parking lots, street noise, honking, commercial zone leads to noise pollution, which disrupts the environment of society in most of the developing countries. And social events. Noise is its a peak in most of the social events, whether it is a marriage parties, pub, disc, or place of worship in temples, social events in temples and parties, marriage functions. There are produced sound. They can affect hearing loss. People normally deafly rules set by the local administration and create a nuisance in the area. People play songs on full volume and dance till midnight in the condition of people living nearby 30 hours. Next slide, I will share you. Transportation. Transportation means Ravana. Transportation. Large number of vehicles on roads, aeroplanes, trans trains produce heavy noise. In transportation, nowadays, very noise is produced. Noise pollution is very produced. In transportation, large number of vehicles on roads, aeroplanes or trains produce a heavy noise. The high noise leads to situation where is a normal person's lost the ability to hear properly. The noise leads to situation where is a normal person lost the ability to hear properly. Nowadays, transportation is a very highly produced sound. And construction activities. Construction activities. Construction activities like mining construction of bridges, dams, building stations, roads, flyovers takes place is in almost every part of the world. These construction activities have to be continued to meet the deemed of the ever increasing pollution. It also creates noise pollution. Nowadays, construction is a very nice in industries. Construction activities like mining or digging or vibration of bridges, dams, buildings, station roads, flyovers take place in almost every part of the world. This construction activity to be continued the deemed every increased pollution. It is also created a noise pollution. Very disturbance for the workers also. Construction activities. This is the construction activity noise is the also in Nibush project compulsory noise produce, how to control. This is the major accident in construction activities, major activity noise. Household chores, household chores. In household chores. In nowadays, houses are used in grinders, mixes, and TVs and gadgets like TV. We people are surrounding by we people are surrounded by the gadgets and them use extensively in our daily life. Gadgets like TV, mobile, mixer, grinder, pressure cooker, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, and dryer, cooler, air conditioner are also contribute the amount of noise that is produced, and but many times it affected the quality of life of our neighborhood. These are the main household sources. Next one, next screen I will share you. Wait, fireworks. These are the fireworks as the commonly occasionally used in marriages, parties, and birthday functions, and the housewarmings. These are used in the fireworks. Fireworks is a commonly thing during various fairs, festivals, and cultural ceremonies. Apart from air pollution, the intensity of the air sound create noise pollution. Fireworks is also a produced noise pollution. Produced noise pollution. These are the maybe cause noise produced in agriculture machineries. In agriculture, some machineries are used in the noise producer, tractors, threshers, harvesters, two-wheelers, power tillers, etc. Having a all made agriculture highly mechanical, but at the same timely highly noisy. This is the agriculture machinery is also a heavy noise producer. Agriculture machinery is also a heavy noise producer. Tractors, threshers, harvesters, tube wheelers, power tillers, etc. Have all made agriculture highly mechanical, but at the same timely highly noise. Defense equipment and launching of satellites. Defense, defenses, defenses equipment and launching of satellites. Lot of noise pollution is added to the atmosphere by artillery, tanks, launching of rockets, explosion, exercising of military aeroplanes, and shooting practices. In Navy and Army, there are the used for the missionaries, tanks, launching of rockets, explosion in satellites, exercising of military aeroplanes, and shooting practices, screens of jet engines, and launching of the satellites, sonic booms, and defensing impact of the ears. Heavy noise pollution are produced. These defensive equipment and launching of satellites, rockets. These are the miscellaneous sources. Miscellaneous sources. Other sources. Other sources produced in noise pollution. The automobile repair shops, marketplaces, schools, colleges, bus stands, and railway stations, etc., are other sources of noise pollution. These are the miscellaneous sources. The automobile repair shops, marketplaces, schools, colleges, bus stands, and railway stations, etc., and other sources of noise pollution producer. These are the miscellaneous sources. Next screen I will share you. Wait. Next screen I will share you. Wait. Effects. Effects of noise pollution. Effects of అంటే శబ్ద కాలుష్యం యొక్క ప్రభావాలు. Effects. Human response to noise varies from man to man, according to age and temperament. It may vary even in the same individual from time to time because of change in health, fatigue, and other conditions that effects of noise human being are under. అంటే శబ్దం పట్ల మానవ ప్రతిస్పందన వయసు మరియు స్వభావాన్ని బట్టి మనిషికి మనిషి మారుతుంది. ఆరోగ్య అలసట మరియు ఇతర పరిస్థితుల్లో మార్పు కారణంగా ఇది ఒక వ్యక్తిలో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మారవచ్చు. మానవులపై శబ్దం యొక్క ప్రభావాలు కింద విధంగా ఉంది. These are the two effects, auditory effects. First one is the auditory effect. It includes the deafness or auditory fatigue. Deafness, చెవిటితనం. It includes the deafness or auditory fatigue. Deafness or impaired hearing. Deafness or impaired hearing. Prolonged exposure to noise lead to gradual deterioration of internal ear and subsequently hearing loss or deafness. It may occur due to continuous exposure to noise level of more than 90 decibels. It may be temporary or permanent explosion or other high intensity sounds can be causing immediate deafness by rupturing the eardrums or damaging the cochlea. Many times hearing loss is attributed to occupation. This is the deafness or impaired hearing. అంటే చెవుడు లేదా బలహీనమైన వినికిడి. Deafness or impaired hearing. Auditory fatigue. Auditory fatigue. This is the auditory fatigue means it is defined as a temporary loss of hearing. Temporary loss of hearing after exposure to sound, continuous humming sound such as a whistling and buzzing in the ears. This is the auditor fatigue. This is the it is defined as a temporary loss of hearing after exposure to sound, continuous humming sound as a whistling and buzzing in the ears. Next screen I will share you. Next screen I will share you. These are the non-auditory effects. Non-auditory effects. Non-auditory effects. These are the irritations and annoyance. Noise sometimes leads to emotional disturbance and other makes people lose their temper. It can interfere with the proper rest and sleep. Annoyance seems to increase with the loudness of the sound. Irritation అంటే చికాకు మరియు కోపం. Irritation and annoyance. Noise sometimes leads to emotional disturbance and makes people lose their temper. It can interfere with proper rest and sleep. Annoyance seems to increase with the loudness of the sound. Work efficiency. Work efficiency. Pani samartham. It has been observed that noise reduces the efficiency of work. Physiological effects. Physiological effects. It includes dilution of the pupils, paling of skin, tensing of voluntary muscles, diminishing of gastric secretions, increasing the diastolical blood pressure, and the sudden injection of the adrenals into bloodstream, which increase neuromuscular tension, nervous irritability, and anxieties. It can adversely affect the development of unborn babies. Physical effects. ఫిజికల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ అంటే శారీరక ప్రభావం. ఇందులో విద్యార్థులు చర్మం పాలిపోవడం, ఎక్కువ వినడం వల్ల పాచిపోవడం, స్వచ్ఛంద కండరాలు పదును పెట్టడం, గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ తగ్గిపోవడం, డయాలిటిస్ రక్తపోటు పెరగడం మరియు రక్త ప్రవాహంలో అకస్మాత్తుగా ఇంజెక్షన్ చేయడం వల్ల కండరాల ఉద్రిక్త భావం, చిరాకు మరియు ఆందోళన ఉంటాయి. ఇది పుట్టబోయే పిల్లల అభివృద్ధి ప్రతికూలంగా ప్రభావితం చేస్తుంది. హై నాయిస్. ఫిజికల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ అదర్ హెల్త్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. అదర్ health effects. ఇతర ఆరోగ్య ప్రభావం. Noise is also associated with the headache, giddiness, sweating, fatigue, difficulty in breathing, disturbed sleep pattern, physiological stress. These are the other. తలనొప్పి రావడం కానీ, అంటే చెమట, వికారంగా, అలసట, శ్వాస తీసుకోవడం ఇబ్బంది, నిద్రభంగం, మానసిక ఒత్తిడితో కూడా శబ్దం కలిగి ఉంటుంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ హెల్త్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్ ఐ విల్ షేర్. Next screen I will show you. These are the trouble communicating. Trouble communicating. The communicating చేయడంలో ఇబ్బంది. Trouble communicating. High decibel noise can put trouble and may not allow people to communicate freely. Constant sharp noise can give you serve headache and disturb your emotional balance. High decibel noise can put trouble. అంటే కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడం ఇబ్బంది. అధిక డెసిబెల్స్ శబ్దం ఇబ్బంది కలిగిస్తుంది. మరి ప్రజలు స్వేచ్ఛంగా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడం అనుమతించకపోతుంది. స్థిరమైన పదునైన శబ్దం మీకు తీవ్రమైన తలనొప్పి ఇస్తుంది. మరి మీ మానసిక సమస్యలను భంగపరుస్తుంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ట్రబుల్ కమ్యూనికేటర్. High decibel noise can put trouble and many not flowing. People to communicate freely, constant sharp noise can give you serve headache and disturb your emotional balance. Effect on animals. అంటే జంతువులపై ప్రభావం. Effect on animals. Animals rely heavily on sounds to communicate to find food, avoiding predators, etc. Pets react more aggressively due to exposure to constant noises. They become disoriented more easily and face may behaviorally ability of many animals. Man-made noise effects, mating, calls, and echolation. This leads to reduction in survival and reproduction rates. At an ecosystem level, noise pollution could lead to migration of animals. The migration can affect the crop production because many animals such as bats pollinate bananas, peaches, agave, and other cash crops. These are the effects of animals. Next slide, I will share you. Wait. Step 2, control noise pollution. This is that step 2, control noise pollution. Noise pollution can be effectively controlled by taking the following measures. Okay. How to control the noise pollution. Noise pollution can effectively controlled by the taking the following measures. Control at receiver's end. Control at receiver's end. For people working in noisy installation, air production aids like earplugs, earmuffs, noise helmets, headphones, etc. must be provided to reduce occupational exposure. Control at receiver's end. For people working is noise installations or productions, it's like earplugs. In PPE, earplugs, earmuffs, noise helmets, headphones, etc. must provide the reduce occupational exposure. Suppression of noise at source. Suppression of noise at source. Suppression of noise at source. It can be achieved by the following methods: designing, fabricating, and using quieter machines to replace the noise ones. Proper lubrication and better maintenance of machines. Installing noise machines in soundproof chambers. Covering noise producing machine parts with sound absorbing material to check noise production. These are the suppression of noise at source. Next slide, I will share. These are the steps to control noise pollution. Noise pollution can be effectively controlled by taking the following measures: control at resource end and suppression of noise at source. Next screen I will share you. These are the reducing the noise. Reducing the noise produced from vibrating machines. Reducing the noise produce vibrating machines, vibrating damping that may be a layer of damping material, rubber, nephron, cork, or plastic beneath the machine. Reduce the noise nowadays, acoustic materials used. Using silencer to control noise from automobiles, ducts, exhaust, etc. Using. These are the acoustic zoning. Acoustic zoning. Acoustic means acoustic zoning means to reduce the noise pollution. There should be a silence zone near the residential areas, educational areas, and above all near hospitals, tuning of noise, industrial areas, bus terminals and railway stations, airdromes, etc. Away from the residential areas, that is increasing the distance between the source and receivers. Acoustic zoning. There should be a silent zones near the residential areas, educational institutions, and above all near hospitals. Zoning of a noise industrial areas, bus terminals, and railway stations, airdromes, etc. Away from the residential areas, that is increasing the distance between source and receiver. Sound insulation at construction stages. Sound insulation, fourth one, sound insulation at construction stages. It reduces the chances of noise nuisance in future. Some of these measures could be, it reduces the chances of noise nuisance in future. Some of these measures could be the space cracks that get left between the door and the wall should be packed with the sound absorbing material. The space cracks that get left between the door and the well should be packed with the sound absorbing material. Sound insulation. Sound insulation can be done by construction windows with the double or triple panes of glass and filling the gaps with the sound absorbing materials. Acoustic tiles. Acoustic tiles. Acoustic tiles. Acoustic tiles prefer plywood, etc. may be fixed on walls, ceiling, floors, etc. to reduce noise, especially for soundproof recording rooms. Soundproofing recording. These are the sound insulation at construction stages. Next slide I will share you. Next slide I will share you. Wait. Productive or hearing once in its say gone. These are the 30 decibels reselling this rainfall 50 decibels conservation 65 decibels 70 decibels city traffic 110 decibels train baby 140 decibels jet tractors 160 decibels 12 gauge gunshot and non-hazardous noise 70 and hearing protection required 80 above. A noise exposure of any duration at this level it is a dangerous and 120 above immediate pain threshold and 150 above immediate physical damage. You are the hearing the 150 decibels, your immediate physical damage, physical damages. These are the next screen I will share.